Is React on its way out? With new frameworks emerging, many are questioning its future. Let's dive into this hot topic. But before that, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's go! React has been a dominant force in front-end development for years. However, developers have raised concern about its increasing complexity and performance issues. The introduction of features like hooks and server components, while powerful, has added layers of complexity. Frameworks such as Svelte, Solid.js, and Qwik are gaining traction, and they offer simplicity and performance improvements that appeal to many developers. For instance, Svelte compiles code to efficient vanilla JavaScript, reducing runtime overhead. So is React truly dying? Not necessarily. React continues to evolve, addressing current challenges and incorporating community feedback. The ecosystem remains robust with a vast array of libraries and tools supporting development. What are your thoughts? Is it time to move on from React, or does it still have a place in modern development? Share your opinion in comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Be nice and farewell, developers.